The divulgence of a new exoplanet has stargazers animated that it will, without a doubt, be for sure indications of something occurring on a greater profound stage. For all matters taken into consideration, quite a while, the myth approximately finding existence beyond Earth has entranced humankind. Via virtue of the James Webb Space Telescope, that delusion would possibly, before long at some factor, trade right into a fact. The telescope has uncovered an captivating secret in Proxima Centauri, the nearest stellar production to us. In the center of its planets, Proxima B agencies isolated, with impossible-to-ignore counterfeit lights leaving the real vicinity. Moreover, amazed ought to this at any factor be the intensely anticipated proof of sharp lifestyles beyond our planetary gathering? How do professionals pick out if those lights propose the presence of sharp lifestyles on Proxima B? Ego close by us. As we leap into how the James Webb Telescope, as of late, perceived town lighting fixtures 7 trillion miles from Earth, human beings have everlastingly been with the very best level of force inquisitive about the insider information of the universe via mechanical stages of development. Our regular power to observe the Earth and sky proceeds to push us. Later notable severe wide stretches of development, Earth remains the pinnacle planet that we know to have life. As such, the nicely laid out question gets passed. Are we the head occupants of the universe, or are there metropolitan institutions camouflaged among the stars, essentially halting for us to comply with down them to see? Because the response to this risky solicitation, American cosmologists Jill Tarr and Thomas Pearson were ingoing an undertaking known as the Look for Extraterrestrial Facts, SETI. Depressing in 1984, this not-for-benefit attempt means to channel through boundless area, zeroing in on spaceborne radio transmissions. These radio waves are prepared for voyaging monosegregates and are the fundamental implies for anticipated extraterrestrial correspondence. To this end, 42 radio telescopes, considered in the focus of the Californian flood mountains, were painstakingly tuned to the frequencies of the universe. These radio telescopes, known as the Allen Telescope Show, have been designed to get any Peru signal from area. While investigators have truly taken a gander at the sky for solid surrenders for unique years, to this point, there may be no persuading affirmation as forestarting from an interloper human movement. In any case, late reports from NASA proposed that the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, may have spotted fake metropolis lighting fixtures from neighboring planets. Is there any substance to this? Could we at any factor have sorted out the effective dispatch of the James Webb Space Telescope? Is humanity's Goliath breakthrough in grasping the universe? The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is the most developed instrument within the actual view of humanity to get a manage on what the universe holds. Positioned around 1 million miles from Earth, this Goliath telescope is our window to the earliest instances of the universe. It brings the currently unpretentious perception, targeted is closer to uncovering data into the strategy of structure stars and planets. Stargazers outfit the JWST with top-tier cameras and filters to get and dissect the extremely good assortments enveloping notable gadgets. Via JWST, analysts are prepared to split and acquire important statistics approximately the substance methods and real houses of radiant bodies within the farthest reaches of the universe. They finished this accomplishment through disengaging specific frequencies of mild beyond clean wisdom. JWST inspects and researches the principal beneficiaries of exoplanets for pointers of light suits' unequal potential to see beyond the necessities of truth, has incited possibly the maximum astounding disclosures. For instance, via the telescope, stargazers have visible a greater mass than as of late diagnosed to exist inside the universe, covered in a pair massive universes. This finding has assessed the beyond issues concerning the affiliation, furthermore ranges of the universe with humankind deciding to look at the farthest reaches of the universe. The JWST can be a focal stray in settling the mysteries of separated universes besides making guides of action for brand new astrophysical records. Handiest 20 years faster, the distance past our planetary gadget remained through and large dark and without any smidgen of acknowledged planets. Anyways, stargazers have due to the fact found out no less than 4,000 exoplanets encompassing distant stars, a pivotal presentation of human inventiveness and mechanical motion. In keeping with NASA, the inventory can be the tip of the extremely good ice sheet, showing the presence of trillions greater exoplanets scattered throughout the universe. In the energized assessment for extraterrestrial existence, scientists maintain to look closer to the hazard. Seeing outcast areas has handed where we have been before. As fate might have it, at some stage in the Galileo rocket's ride to Jupiter, its spectroscopic tool out of the blue uncovered a specific spooky engraving that illustrated earthly plant life. This primary divulgence marks each time researchers in the beginning have seen as a biosignature, the plant's purple side. It mirrors mild resulting from V. The JWST ought to uncover the requests of more terrestrial situations. It will do this via tediously orchestrating the orbital constraints of possibly viable far-away extrasolar planets located internal the valid zones in their outcast parent stars. Every time perceived, these V-signs might be fundamental evidence in the journey for sharp existence out of doors our planet. It'll be the beginning of one extra assignment for us in our project to tune down the popular bits of understanding of the universe. As sunlight goes through the herbal layers, the isolated mild, which conveys particular frequencies, is absorbed by the particles and particles in these layers. This ingestion prompts for the maximum part K brilliant version, like restrictive fingerprints, that can be interpreted via spectroscopic appraisal. It's mild speculated that when mild from a celeb appears as at a planet, the JWST will everything considered want to perceive it because it enters the planet's current situation. Thusly, the JWST ought to be the first-class technique to revealing the barometrical union of remote exoplanets, a fundamental sign of their actual capacity for Earth-bound lifestyles. Earth-sized planets, marching conditions wealthy in oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide like Earth, should preserve conditions supportive forever, as we possibly comprehend it. At any rate, the deficit of anticipated components or the presence of bizarre mixes should result in non-compulsory designs of lifestyles or then again even mechanical turns of occasions. Inquisitively located chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs, which can be man-made compounds, basically used for refrigeration and modern functions, ought to assist researchers in illustrating the presence of an extraterrestrial flip of occasions. If the JWST notifications such phony debris in the demeanor of exoplanets, it'll open new strong areas for extraterrestrial activity out of doors our planetary social event. This addresses a really spellbinding undertaking for astronomical professionals, opening every other front into the climatic affiliations of various universes and the opportunity of entrancing upgrades beyond the smooth, clean way. Decidedly, the divulgence about the presence beyond our planet is depicted by using multiple attainable effects that go past the limitations of intrinsic science. While we frequently instances believe lifestyles as a long way as we can also worried thrive in calm instances like our personal reality may want to showcase altogether greater contrasted and implausible. As an instance, extremophiles, a spellbinding social occasion of dwelling creatures, commonly included microorganisms, task what we fathom as a realistic residing space. These fantastic dwelling things can truly make do and attempt to prosper in conditions which might be normally depicted as extreme. Extremophiles can persist through even the maximum horrible conditions, with temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and pH ranges underneath 3. They're great cases of the electricity of dwelling matters under irksome instances. As such, the unfathomable additives of the universe and the incalculable conditions related with it let us in on that our foremost purpose for extraterrestrial lifestyles should be a ways achieving. At any fee, the reference planets seeming to be Earth and orbiting around stable sun-like stars supply tremendous ability entryways. We should further ponder non-compulsory circumstances. High new youngsters on the town for assessment could consolidate exoplanets surrounding red little stars, M-dwarfs, which can be more copious inside the universe. In any case, not enduring their lower beauty and cooler temperatures, diverged from our solar, these stars provide mind-blowing possibilities to have a look at the capability for life in different situations. The lengthy destiny of red little stars gives above and beyond an opportunity for the sluggish, mind-boggling cycles of existence's turn of activities and headway to spread out. Seen as around 40 light-years from Earth, the TRAPPIST-1 planetary gadget enraptures as a fabulous focus for the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST mission. This stunning structure, involving a feeble red little star and 7 Earth-sized harsh planet circles. The calm red little star. 3 of these perceived planets are allotted as reasonable planets and may probably have water on their surfaces. Notwithstanding the fact that it's far more unassuming and cooler than our solar, the TRAPPIST-1 superstar radiates a fragile and Earth-like light. This is suitable for helping lifestyles on its revolving around planets. Some of the one-of-a-kind stars inside the cosmic nearby Proxima Centauri rise as a reference factor of the workable distance of simply 4.25 light pretty a while from the Sun, which makes Proxima Centauri the closest star to our very own. The star should be visible in its frail shimmer. It is, as an obvious truth, barely discernible in the middle of the dimness of the nighttime sky. At any rate, its weak splendor gathers that any respectable planet circling it must maintain a close-by distance. The distance of any respectable planet to Proxima Centauri needs to be spherical on distinct occasions nearer than Earth to the solar. Without fulfilling this circumstance, none of its planets can maintain existence supporting occasions like our planet. Certainly, Proxima Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor at a distance of about 4.25 light-years from the Sun, holds significant intrigue in the search for potential extraterrestrial life. Despite its proximity, Proxima Centauri is a dim red dwarf star, making it barely visible in the night sky without advanced telescopic aid. Its dimness suggests that any planets orbiting it would need to be positioned much closer than Earth to receive sufficient warmth and light for potential habitability. One notable discovery within the Proxima Centauri system is Proxima B, a planet discovered in 2016 about 1.3 times the mass of Earth. Positioned within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, Proxima B potentially receives enough energy from its star to maintain liquid water on its surface, a crucial component for life as we understand it. However, the close proximity of Proxima B to its host star presents challenges, including intense stellar flares and solar winds that could strip away its atmosphere and pose hazards to potential life. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, with its advanced capabilities in infrared imaging and spectroscopy, plays a pivotal role in studying planets like Proxima B. It aims to analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, looking for signatures such as oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases that could indicate the presence of biological or geological activity. JWST's ability to detect and interpret these atmospheric components will provide critical insights into the potential habitability of Proxima B and other exoplanets. Moreover, the TRAPPIST-1 system, another intriguing stellar system about 40 light-years away, offers further opportunities for exploration. It consists of a red dwarf star with 7 known Earth-sized planets, 3 of which are located within the star's habitable zone. The close proximity of these planets to their host star, combined with the star's relatively low luminosity compared to our Sun, makes TRAPPIST-1 a compelling target for studying potentially habitable worlds. In conclusion, while Proxima Centauri and the TRAPPIST-1 system present exciting prospects for discovering habitable exoplanets, ongoing research with advanced telescopes like JWST will continue to deepen our understanding of these distant worlds and their potential for hosting life beyond Earth. Proxima Centauri, located in the Centaurus constellation, is not only our closest stellar neighbor but also a red dwarf star that poses unique challenges and opportunities for astronomers. Its proximity, just 4.25 light-years from Earth, makes it an ideal target for studying exoplanets and potentially habitable environments. Proxima B, the closest known exoplanet to us, orbits within Proxima Centauri's habitable zone. This zone is the region around a star where conditions could potentially allow for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Liquid water is considered one of the key ingredients necessary for life as we know it. Despite being within the habitable zone, Proxima B faces significant challenges due to its close proximity to its parent star. Proxima Centauri itself is much cooler and smaller than our Sun, emitting primarily infrared radiation rather than visible light. This means any planet orbiting it would receive a different spectrum of light compared to Earth, which has implications for its potential habitability and the types of organisms that could potentially thrive there. The star is known for its frequent stellar flares, bursts of energy and radiation that could potentially strip away the atmosphere of any nearby planets. These flares are an important consideration in assessing whether Proxima B or other planets in the system could maintain stable environments conducive to life over long periods. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched in 2021, represents a significant leap forward in our ability to study exoplanet atmospheres, including those around Proxima Centauri. With its advanced infrared capabilities, JWST aims to analyze the composition of exoplanet atmospheres in unprecedented detail. By observing the light passing through these atmospheres as their host stars are eclipsed, JWST can detect signatures of gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and potentially even biomarkers like oxygen or ozone. Beyond Proxima Centauri, the TRAPPIST-1 system offers another intriguing glimpse into the diversity of exoplanetary systems. TRAPPIST-1 is a nearby ultracool dwarf star with 7 known Earth-sized planets, several of which orbit within its habitable zone. The discovery of these planets sparked considerable interest due to their potential for hosting liquid water and potentially life. Studying these distant worlds requires innovative approaches and technology. Techniques such as transit spectroscopy, which analyzes changes in a star's light as a planet passes in front of it, provide valuable insights into the atmospheric composition of exoplanets. Combined with theoretical models and simulations, astronomers can paint a clearer picture of whether these planets could support conditions suitable for life as we know it. In conclusion, Proxima Centauri and systems like TRAPPIST-1 represent tantalizing opportunities to explore the possibility of life beyond Earth. Ongoing advancements in observational astronomy and space exploration promise to uncover more about these distant worlds and their potential habitability, opening new chapters in our quest to understand our place in the universe.